Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and delete applications on your Amazon Firestick. So on the home screen here, if we scroll on over to Settings, then go down, we want to go over to Applications and select this. Now under here, let's go to Manage Installed Applications. Now find the application you want to go ahead and delete. So some of these applications on top, like Amazon Kids, you can't delete them because they come with the Amazon Firestick. It's their software. So I'm going to go ahead and go to this one right here. This one, I don't even know what it is. So I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to go to Uninstall right here. And it says, deleting this app will free this much space. The app will be deleted from all non-kid profiles. Are you sure you want to continue? Let's go to Confirm. And it's uninstalling the application, and it is now removed. So there's a bunch of different apps I don't even use anymore. Pandora, I probably haven't used this in the last like 5 to 10 years. So simply go through here and delete all the apps you don't use anymore to free up space so you can download more apps. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.